Wellness Week at Randolph High School was all about helping students feel confident, connected, and supported. From themed spirit days to school-wide activities, the week encouraged students to take a step back from everyday stress and focus on their mental and emotional well-being. Students gathered for an assembly with a motivational speaker, Keith Hawkins, who challenged them to think about the energy they bring into the world.
I want them to walk away knowing that we all need to, the energy we have is also have an impact on the people we're around. So if we want people to be better, we have to have great energy. I want them to walk away knowing that people don't follow what you say, they follow what you do.
Hawkins also reminded students to focus less on temporary setbacks and more on the permanent things that truly mattered.
Stop giving so much energy to the things that are temporary, a test, a score that you did in a game. Start putting energy into things that are permanent, family, friends, faith, people you help.
A major part of Hawkins' message focused on peer pressure and self-doubt, two challenges many high school students face every day. He explained that comparison can create pressure, but confidence starts when students stop measuring themselves against others.
So self-doubt is a thing in your head that lies to you. It never tells you the truth. It has you comparing yourself with other people, the way you dress, the way you talk, your hair, your makeup, your clothes, your parents, where you live. The moment you start comparing, you're going to start feeling peer pressure. The moment you stop comparing, peer pressure goes away.
Hawkins encouraged students to remember that they are original, but they are never alone in what they are going through.
You are original. There'll never be another person like you. Your life is not original. Someone has lived it. So let people help you.
RHS principal Jessica Caruso Baxter said she hopes students left the assembly feeling more confident and more comfortable being themselves.
I hope they were motivated to feel more confident in their own skin, like Keith says, to be better than good. And really just know what people think of you really doesn't matter. It's really about how you feel about yourself and treating yourself well.
For student leaders on the Wellness Committee, Hawkins' ability to connect with students made his message even more meaningful.
He includes himself in them and uses personal experiences and then understands what we're going through and what we're feeling. So then he relates his experiences to things that could be relating to us. So I think that definitely helps all of us be able to connect with him and make his messages stick with us more.
One phrase especially stood out to students: Hawkins' reminder to be better than good.
I'm definitely going to be taking away the not just good, better than good. That's like kind of his motto. And it just catches you off guard when somebody asks you how you are and you go better than good, because then they have to ask about it and then you'll make somebody else's day.
Through his message, Hawkins encouraged students to lead with courage, support one another, and remember that their actions can have a lasting impact. As Wellness Week continued, RHS students are reminded that confidence, kindness, and positive energy can go far beyond one assembly. For RAM Studios, I'm Liam Rose.